working in IT is the variety.
I was given a computer when I was 9 years old, and I explored forums for graphic design by myself.
I've been interested in IT since I was a kid playing around on computers. I feel like a lot of us are that way.
My dad is a networking engineer, and he said, get into something that you'll always have a job. You will probably be able to work from home, pays well, get it done, in and out.
The amount of business impact that you can make is tremendous, whether you're working in an education institution, supporting faculty, students, staff, whether you're working in banking industry, healthcare industry, supporting doctors and nurses, you have a direct impact on the success of that business on a daily basis.
The faculty has been extremely knowledgeable. I feel like the education I'm getting here and the advice I get from my instructors is great and helps me succeed.
Building my network here has been very organic and very, very fun.
It needs to be flexible, and I can schedule my classes to my own time and work on them on my own time.
I think our students, when they come out of our degree programs, they are ready. And they are ready to be leaders in their field of work and not only support their businesses, but support their colleagues that they're joining.